Okay guys, Friday 24th November 2023, no sleep. I'm going to continue day 4 today. The ensuite, double hung timber window, arch staying again. I'm going to do the same as this one. Apply factors to this one. Nice timber stains there. So yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, uPVC.com.au. So yeah, with this ensuite window, we tried doing a root canal, as you can see. It's a bit deep though. I was thinking of filling it with foam, but then over time that's gonna eat away again, as this side will start. So it looks like I'll have to make a new timber piece for the sill, because I can't use this one. It's a bit too much gone. So yeah, as we can see, even underneath this piece, we've already got water damage on the bottom of this one. Yeah, too bad the customers didn't want to replace the whole thing. They wanted to keep this feature, which is a pain in the ass, because now I've got to. It's not too bad, not eating away too bad, but yeah, it's not great. Yeah, this section here. This side's alright, I think. Yeah, it's not too bad over there. So here we have pretty much drilled out all the softwood, what was possible. Yeah, we're gonna place another timber seal on the bottom, and then frame on top finally. Yeah, so here we are, adding the jigsaw into the equation. The reship saw is going to be a bit rough doing that moon shape cut. So that's the next stage. And then we'll shove it in there, nice and neat. Should be snug. I'm loving that work. Awesome, look at this, solid. Not bad cuts, only 1 centimeter too much from this side, but this one is just right. Gonna film the rest and then trim outside anyway with MS polymer on the side. So the frame will just sit nicely in here now against that. And then up there again, like the other one yesterday. So now we're just gonna apply free fixings to hold the sill in nicely with the other piece on the bottom. So here we are, leveling. Let's see. Perfect 0. How about that? Without even trying. Amazing. So there we have it. We have these screwy wheezies in. Now I can do pull-ups, mini pull-ups if I was a midget from the sledge. And then we shoved the wooden timber bead in, the one we took out, so it matches the rest of the freaking design. Yeah, well, that's why there's a reason to be careful dismantling. Sometimes you'll need the parts again, like for example now. I'll just put that together with a gun. And done. So now we'll just foam in the gaps before closing it with the frame, both sides. So we have built the timber support with PU foam. Beautiful 90-degree, nearly 90-degree angle. And now the fun part begins, dismantling the add-on profile, 25mm, left and right side, keeping top and bottom, and then we're going to decide if the frame's going to sit behind this timber piece here, or I cut that evenly with the other timber piece, like I have decided with the chisel, because I wasn't sure what was happening. This was under the dismantling stage. I didn't know I was going to keep the timbers, but now I've decided to keep the timbers because the frame sits perfectly between timber to timber, 960 wide, without a 25mm profile each side. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep the timbers, beautiful fixing point, nice hardwood still, not rotten. And then the add-on profile just comes off just like that. It's like a Lego piece. If people want to know, still a hollow chamber, still on the still inside. So that's 25mm. There's also like a 10mm and a 50 or 35, something like that. But yeah, now you know what it looks like. And then you got the raw frame underneath with steel inside again, with the self-drilling screws, as you can see. Now we'll try out, see how good our angle grinder is going through galvanized steel. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but yeah, amazing. 12 volt. Oh, love the cuts. 2-3 minutes each side. Off we go. Done. 2 to go. Yeah, we're unlucky. We're gonna have to remove the extra excess of the timber, as it's too wide, doesn't want to get through. So now we have marked out 12mm. So then it's flush on the inside of the timber frame. See that lip there, 12mm to cut with a jigsaw. So here we have the pretty straight jigsaw cut for timber frame to sit against. uPVC frame to sit against. Yeah, nearly there. Very close. Very nice fit in the frame. Just got one small section to go. This small corner here. I thought I could get through it, but no, it's about 3mm, 3mm too wide. Squeeze in. So here we have the fitment. Not bad. I'm going to see if I can put in the expanding joint filler, adhesive expanding joint filler on the bottom here with the weather seal. And I'll finish off with a quad here, with quad on one side, and up against the frame and architrave on the outside, flush. Leave as that. Flush there with some MS polymer seal, groove, and we'll just put the quad here, I reckon. That'll be the best scenario, I reckon, rather than putting in the center, having a small gap each side. There's only like a 2mm gap up top, if that. So I'll just put some expanding joint filler on the bottom, and that'll be snug fit then. The plantation shutters all clear. Retractable blinds will go here, and they'll still clear as well. And on the inside, we're just gonna do timber quad, uPVC tri-quad bottom and sides, and leave the top as it is, with the MS polymer groove and quad on the right here. All the way down will be a nice finish. No trim needed, as in flat or angle. So here's pretty much the final version of this window. We just fixed it, one each side. So with cylinder screws, 132mm. Top and bottom as well. Top and bottom fixed sash right there, and right there. Then we'll firm the rest in. Ouch. Yeah, firm the rest in. You're gonna have a small quad all the way around the timber, touching the frame. This one here, I'll probably put a 20-40 angle, covering all that. No point putting timber there, it'll rot out again eventually. This side though, I'll probably just fix up with white sealant. Went a bit too far with demolition, chipped away on the excess. Oh yeah, that'll be the finished product. Just glazing now, and we'll be trimming probably early next week. So here's the final glazed product without the trim. Obscure glass, 416-4 with low E, plus toughened